Yes, when you join the gym on the first day, you feel little intimidated. I felt the same. Most of us feel the same, and it's very common. And if you are someone who's been working out for a couple of years, I would say skip the video because this video isn't for you. I really don't want to waste your time. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my new series, Beginner's Guide to Fitness. Today I would like to talk to you about how to start strength training in the gym, and this video is for complete beginners who are just starting their strength training journey. So I would like to keep it very simple and cover all important points so that you can have a great start and keep going. And if you are someone who's been working out for a couple of years, I would say skip the video because this video isn't for you. I really don't want to waste your time. So let's get started. So here we talk about 8 important points when it comes to how to start strength training in the gym. Point number 1, get comfortable in the gym. Yes, you need to get comfortable in the gym. It is very important to feel relaxed where you will be working out. Under this, we have 2 things. Point number 1, take a tour of the gym. Yes, when you join the gym on the first day, you feel little intimidated. I felt the same. Most of us feel the same, and it's very common. So to get over it, I would recommend you to take a look around. Check out where the dumbbells are, barbells are, machines or cardio equipment is. And knowing the layout of the gym will give you little confidence, and this would be there for a couple of days or a week or 2. Once you get used to it, you will get over this. Thing number 2, understanding gym etiquettes. Yes, basic gym manners are very important. I'm talking about putting back the dumbbells once you're done with your set, or wiping the machines once you are done using them, or be aware of somebody waiting for you to finish the set so that they can use the same equipment. Now coming to point number 2, learn the basics of strength training equipment. Here I'm talking about free weights versus machines. Free weights like dumbbells and barbells help you build strength and use more muscle, wherein machines will help you and guide you learn the correct form with the added stability. If you are a beginner, I would recommend you to start with the machines to learn the right form and also to avoid the injuries. And one more thing you need to know is common equipments used in the gym like functional trainer, Smith machine, or bench press, dumbbells and barbells and different kinds of machine, and each one is used for different exercises and works on different muscle groups. Now coming to point number 3, start with a beginner friendly workout plan. Yes, let's create a simple workout plan for the beginners. Remember, the goal is to start slow and build a solid foundation so you don't have to lift heavy weights right away once you join the gym. So we start with full body workout plan. So as a beginner, doing full body workout 2 to 3 times in a week is great. So please do not make a mistake of following a bro split right away when you start. By the way, I made a video on beginners mistakes. Please check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's create a workout plan for you. I will read it out for you. Squats can be done with machine or free weights, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Bench press, machines or free weights, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Lat pull down can be done with machine, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Shoulder press can be done with machines or free weights, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Leg press can be done on machine, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Cable rows can be done on machine, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Rest between the sets 1 to 2 minutes from each set, and also you can go up to 3 minutes in the beginning. So these are the exercises you need to include in your full body split. However, I will leave the entire workout plan in the description. You can check it out there. And this split works for both men and women, so both of you can follow it. And if you are a man, you can add some extra exercises for bicep and tricep like dumbbell curls, barbell curls, or tricep overhead extension with free weights. Now the point number 4, focus on proper form and technique instead of lifting heavy weights. Yes, the form is very important when you're performing any exercise to avoid injury and making sure you're working on muscles correctly. So start with the light weight so that you can focus on getting the form right, and you can increase the weight as you get stronger. Don't be shy to ask someone with experience in the gym or the trainer. They would be more than happy to help you in correcting your form. Now the point number 5, progressive overload. Yes, as you get stronger in the gym, you need to increase the intensity of your workouts. Now what is progressive overload? It means slowly adding more weights, more sets or more reps to increase the intensity of your workout and make your muscles work harder. For example, if you have been squatting with 10 kilos for 2 weeks and you got comfortable and easy with it, you can add some weights to it, or you can increase the reps or increase the sets with it. This is called progressive overload, and it is very important to keep a track of your progress. Yes, how can you do that? By noting it down in the book or updating in the app about your exercises, reps and sets, and this will help you see how much you are improving, and this is going to keep you motivated. Now the point number 6, perform proper warm-ups and cool-downs. Yes, always start and finish your workout session with proper warm-ups and cool-down. Basically, warm-ups get muscles ready for your workout session and also help you in avoiding injuries. It is recommended to perform dynamic stretches before the workout, and also you can perform 5 to 10 minutes cardio sessions on the treadmill by walking or jogging. Now it's about cool-downs. Cool-downs can be done by performing static stretches towards the end of your workout session, which will help you with flexibility and also reducing muscle soreness. Now the point number 7, prioritizing recovery and nutrition. Yes, strength training is very important, but so are nutrition and recovery to get the desired results. Here we talk about rest days. Try to have rest days between your workout sessions to let your muscles recover and grow. Try to have at least one rest day between each workout session. Now coming to nutrition, eating a balanced diet. Eat the right foods to help your muscle recover and grow, especially protein. And also please do not completely ignore fats and carbs. So focus on a balanced diet for the better recovery and growth. Now coming to final point number 8, staying motivated and consistent. How can you stay motivated and consistent is by setting realistic goals. Setting goals like performing 2 to 3 workout sessions in a week instead of 6, especially if you are a working professional. And point number 2 to stay motivated and consistent is to find a workout partner. Yes, find a workout partner who has same goals or same motivation to work out. This will make your workouts interesting and more fun. And also please stay away from the friends who always find reasons to skip the gym. This is only going to hinder your fitness journey, so please be careful while choosing your workout partner. So that's your beginner's guide to strength training. In my opinion, if I left out on any points, please make sure you mention in the comment section. I will be more than happy to learn them. Remember, everybody starts somewhere, so keep going and enjoy the process. I hope you find this video informative. If yes, please like and share it with your friends, and also please subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. And also please comment below if you have any questions related to the same topic or you want to share your gym experience. Until the next time, have a good one.